Welcome to Module 6 Azure Identity, Access and Security. So here is the content in Module 6 which we'll be discussing. Part 1 is Introduction, Azure Directory Services, Azure Authentication Methods, External Identities, Conditional Access, Role-Based Access Control, Zero Trust Model, Defense in Depth, and at the last, the CSPM, which is Cloud Security Posture Management, which is Defender for Cloud, we are going to discuss right now. So what you are going to learn all in these things, right? The first one, we will be talking about the directory services. So in this, you will be knowing about the Microsoft Entra ID, the Entra domain services. Regarding the authentication method, you will be knowing about single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and passwordless. External identities and the guest access in Azure, I will show you the practical how you can create the basically external identities and how you can give the access to a guest on Azure platform. The next one is Entra conditional access. For example, if you want to block some of the countries, right? So you can do with the help of this Entra conditional access. Not only that, but that was just an example. A lot of things you can do with the Entra conditional access. Next is role-based access control. For example, if you are a junior security analyst, then security reader or reader access is enough for you, right? Similarly, if you are security engineer, you will be requiring the access of security admin, the contributor access, and some part of the global admin as well. The next one will be the zero trust. We will be talking in detail, and the defense in depth, and at the last, the CSPM Microsoft Defender for Cloud. We will be discussing one by one.